Welcome back to Shiny Metal Bars. Well, in today's video, as the thumbnail says, I will be making the perfect Nordic gold bars to sell. Now, for those who have not watched it yet, this was an old Saxon hot water unit. And I guarantee you that a lot of you would never ever seen a hottie like this before. As I heat away this insulation, you can see the treasure underneath starting to reveal itself. Like I said earlier, this amazing unit is a Saxon hot water, and you will only find these things in Queensland, Australia. Some of these tanks lasted 30, 40 and even 50 years, but unfortunately they stopped making them a long time ago. Now, I actually cut and processed this copper tank a few weeks ago, but today I'm actually going to use the offcuts to make a few Nordic gold bars to sell to a huge builder here on the Gold Coast, Australia. So please, stick around and watch how I turn a broken 50-year-old hot water tank into a beautiful Nordic gold showpiece with the builder's logo on it. This is going to be epic. Don't go anywhere. Check out this huge copper coil, completely made out of copper, and I can tell you that this thing is very, very heavy. Alright, on to making Nordic gold bars. Now, I want to make 10 kilos of Nordic gold. Basically, 3 at 3.333 kilograms. Should be good. And for those who don't know, Nordic gold is a beautiful metal alloy which contains 4 metals. Copper, 89%, zinc, 5%, aluminium, or if you're from America, aluminum, 5%, and tin at 1%. Today, I will be using my brand new metal melting furnace. Look how beautiful and clean it looks. Guys, say hello to Minnie. She's an absolute little darling.
Hello?
One thing I absolutely love about melting dirty old copper is watching the magnificent green flames roaring out of the furnace. There's nothing quite like it. These aluminium bars melt really fast. They literally sink inside the furnace. And a quick tip, guys, if you ever want to melt scrap metal, make sure that you always preheat your molds and give them a very good preheat too, mind you, because failure to do so, pouring molten metal into cold molds will result in splatters and explosions and possibly even cracking the graphite mold. Check out how the heat is transferred from the metal to the graphite molds. Absolutely red hot. Guys and girls, we're almost halfway through the video. So, if you're still here, how about letting me know and hitting the like button and dropping a comment and say hi and tell me where you're watching from. I charge $500 for a Nordic gold bar, which weighs close to 3.5 kilos. If that price seems high, I will explain. In this knot, for example, which has taken me about 3 hours all up, after I pull the 3 bars, only one of them is good enough to sell, and the other one will need to be melted again, which is very, very frustrating. Check out these holes. Now, I'm not sure why it does this only sometimes. I'm thinking maybe I poured too quickly. If anyone out there has any idea or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Well, thank God I got at least one good one. I would have been totally devastated if all 3 of them were rejected. At least I can continue the project. After sanding, it's time for a polish. This bar is starting to shine very well. Time to laser etch the builder's logo onto the Nordic Gold bar with the $6,000 X-Tool Ultra laser machine. This machine is state of the art and it's an absolute beauty. Now, if anyone out there thinks this is cool, and you would like me to make you one, message me in the comments and I'll get back to you. I can laser engrave anything you want on them. Business logos, names, sports teams, flags, whatever you want. For 500 bucks, you get yourself an XL Nordic Gold bar, which is nearly 4 kilograms, a beautiful wooden stand, and I can guarantee you no two bars are the same. Remember, each bar is not perfect because it wasn't made by a machine, but nevertheless, they look absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments if you think they turned out great. Please, hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'm only a tiny channel and we are closing in on 1,000 subscribers. Tell me where you're watching from, I'd love to hear from you. And check out my TikTok, Shiny Metal Bars. Well, that's it for this one. And if you're still watching, you're an absolute legend. This is Ash from Shiny Metal Bars, and until next time, take care.